Name is Atif Sheikh and I'm here to quickly show you how to add this vector logo or any vector object in the Google Slides using Google Drawings. So I already posted two videos regarding this trick, but few of guys still complaining that they are not finding any solution as they are not able to open this WMF file with the help of Google Drawing. So what I'm gonna do now, again I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna export this vector as WMF. Here is Windows Meta file, and okay, fine, I'm good with the name. So just clicked on the export, and here's my Google Drive, and this is the slide deck where I want to add this logo now. So let's add this WMF file here in the Google Drive, and this is the main thing everyone want to know, who's complaining that they're not able to open this logo or this vector in the Google Drawings. So when I hover on this file, it says logo stack whatever, oh sorry, logo stack WMF file. In the more actions here, look at this now. In the more actions, I will click here, then open with, and here you will find Google Drawings. Now as I already told you that Google Drawing has been enabled supporting the WMF content almost 1.5 years ago. Before this I was using this app that is Cloud Convert, but now Google made it easy for me, and I'm just gonna click on this. 1 2 3 go. Alright, now this file is opening in the Google Drawings, and here is what I have on my board. Now you can see this is the group of different objects, and each of them is editable. I can change the colors, especially, so not fully editable, but I can change the colors, and if I'm using a group of icons or something like that, so this is very convenient for me. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy, going to my slide deck, and here I paste it, and holding the shift down, see, so here's the logo I have, and I nicely placed it on my slide deck. If still you have any confusion, feel free to reach me out on my video. Just write a comment and I will do my best to help you out. Thank you guys. Have a good rest of the day. Bye.